Hello and welcome to another episode of The Average EV. Today we're going to be taking a look at AppConnect on the 2023 ID.4. Let's get into it. All right, everybody, so here we are with the infotainment on the 2023 ID.4. Again, just so y'all can see, this is in fact ID software 3.1.0. And we're talking about AppConnect. So AppConnect is basically Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I am showing the CarPlay because that's what I have. I have an iPhone. If you want the Android Auto, you're gonna wanna check out some other video on YouTube that'll hopefully be helpful to you. Anyways, so let's learn how to set up AppConnect or Apple CarPlay. So you go in here, we have a device already, but I wanna add a new one. So I go to Settings, Mobile Devices. Eventually my phone will pop up here and we're gonna wanna select that. So we'll wait for that to happen. I do have the Bluetooth menu pulled up too. All right, so here it is. You click there, Apple CarPlay, use Apple CarPlay, and it'll authorize. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. It wants us to pair. On the iPhone, it also asks us to pair. We click pair, allow, and then it should connect us. Sometimes it takes a little bit. So you see it says, cannot be connected, but you look here and it has clearly connected. So I'm gonna click Apple CarPlay, use Apple CarPlay on my iPhone. And here's CarPlay. I'm not gonna talk about CarPlay because I think it's very self-explanatory and easy to use. You can have all your apps that are relevant. I like a better route planner, Electrify America, ChargeWay, different stuff like that. Waze I use all the time, PlugShare. But that's it. That is CarPlay. Spotify, must have for me. But that's basically it. One thing I wanted to say about CarPlay on the ID.4, so it is wireless, which is super, super nice, but I do notice that it uses the battery of my phone a lot. So obviously you want to charge it, and the ID.4 comes with this little, the little, whatever you want to call it, pouchy thing you slide the phone into and you can wireless. And I noticed when it's running wireless Apple CarPlay in there, it doesn't really charge the phone at all, and then the phone gets super hot. So I've actually been plugging in a cord to charge the phone, so it is it actually charges up and it uses the wireless CarPlay. So that's just a little tip when it comes to that. So that's really it with the AppConnect and wireless Apple CarPlay. And yeah, that's it. If you've got any questions, leave in the comments down below. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will catch you all next time.